we came to have an interface with the Commissioner of Police of the FCT regarding the meeting we've planned we are going to have tomorrow. We are going to have the inaugural National Working Committee meeting of our party, the People's Democratic Party. At this meeting, we have invited all our stakeholders and founding fathers. We've invited all our governors and members of the National Assembly. We've invited members of the Board of Trustees, our state chairman, and other critical stakeholders. And so, as law-abiding people, we've come here to tell the police that we are having our meeting tomorrow. And this will be the inaugural meeting since we left Ibadan after our election at our National Elective Convention. Now, we have seen flying in the social media a purported notice of BOT and NEC meeting given by people who, for all intent and purposes, are no longer members of this party as I'm talking to you today. Next to God in management of political party is the National Convention. The decision taken in a national convention overrides every other decision that has been taken by any organ of a party. Our National Convention had taken a decision to expel these elements from the party, and so they are no longer members of our party. And so we have reported the moves they are making to the police, because we don't want any situation where there will be breach of peace. As leaders, more than any other person, we want peace to be sustained. This democracy that our leaders, our forefathers, had sacrificed their lives to bring about to this level, we shall be ready to also give our own life to sustain this democracy. The meeting in our National Secretariat, which is the Wadata House. And anybody that is sitting there without our consent and permission is an interloper. We have not sought for the assistance of the police or any other security agencies to lock up our offices. Now, we are going there, we'll have the offices opened, we will get in there and then begin to perform the functions for which we've been elected. I have assured the Commissioner of Police of the FCT that while we will ensure that no breach of the peace occurs, we will go there prepared to defend ourselves and our integrity as Nigerians, because Nigerian Constitution has given us the right to defend our persons, our lives, our properties, so that we are prepared to do. And let me reiterate again for avoidance of doubt. To defend our party, to defend this nascent democracy, we are prepared to lay down our lives. We will go there to move into our headquarters to conduct our official functions, and if anybody tries to prevent us, then we pray for them.
What time is your meeting tomorrow? Because these people...
Tomorrow, circulars have gone out. We shall be there unfailingly. I, as the national chairman of PDP, will be leading from the front, not from the rear. We shall be there tomorrow. The CP had given us assurance that they will do everything it takes to ensure that there is no breakdown of law and order. And that is our expectation from him. So we will be there hoping that the police will make sure that they give us all the ample protection that we're entitled to under the law. And that assurance we've gotten. So we shall be there.
Hey, Mr. Allah, come now, come back now. Please now, what's this thing? What is this? I tell you now. This I purposely do. I tell you. My car is up